Okay, you're looking at a 1997 Honda Fireblade CBR900RR. I bought this bike brand new, did about 43,000 Ks on it, and then decided I was sick of biking. I just parked it in the garage and stupidly did not put the stopcock on. I did not drain the tank. I just left it there. Used to start it every now and then, but battery went flat. I gave up, sat in the garage. So this bike hasn't been started for 18 years. So finally decided to do something about it, and that fuel tank was the most disgusting thing you've ever seen inside. I had to do two vinegar rinses a week each. I put a high pressure gurney in there, rinsed it out, rinsed it out, rinsed it out. The amount of rust and muck that come out of there, you would not believe. I might even be able to splice in a photo of what the vinegar looked like after treating it. But it was disgusting, actually. See those carbies? If the tank was in a condition like that, I think the carbies would have been pretty bad too. So, took the carbies out, and that's a job and a half. But I did it. Put all new jets in the carbies, new gaskets. Stripped the bike down. Drained the ancient coolant. Flushed it, replaced it with water. For now, I'm going to put coolant in it again. Drain the disgusting oil. The oil's in the front of the house, so I won't even bother to show you, but it was black. So, replace the oil. I put some temporary oil in there. I've got some full synthetic I can put in later. So today is the first attempt at starting it. This is my fuel tank here. Let's put a little bit of petrol in or gas as you Americans call it, into the tank, into the temporary fuel tank. Okay, there's the battery, because the other battery's totally and absolutely fucked. In fact, there it is. Anyway, let's see if she'll start after 18 years. Here we go. Okay, won't idle. Let the fucking thing goes after 18 years. All I got to do now is put everything back, change the coolant, the oil. Look at the chain. That chain was brand new chain and sprockets when I stopped riding. Look, I think all it needs is oil, really. God, I know the sprockets are okay. So I'll have to oil that chain. I don't think I'll take it off. Now I've still got to check the brakes. Put all the fairings back. But the fairings are in pretty good nick. They're as good a nick as that tank. And oh yeah, that's an aftermarket exhaust. I lost the original, but okay. A few little glitches like that indicator. Oh, fixable. So it goes. Years. Update 2. Tank is finally on. Completely cleaned. What a job. All new filters, new air filters I mean. At this point of time, if this runs, I've just got to put the fairings on. Oh, I've still got to change the oil and maybe the brake fluid. Let's try it. Okay, she's a goer. 18 years. Okay, it's a hot day here in Melbourne, 5 days before the Grand Prix. It's about 33 degrees Celsius here at the moment, and has been every day. Now, this is the bike complete, fairings and all, tank on there. So just to prove she now works with the tank on, I'll give her a start up. So she's had coolant change, she's had 2 oil changes, new oil filter, both air filters done. All I haven't done yet, so it hasn't been on the road, but I've got to do something about this chain. It's rusty hell. I'll tackle that soon, and maybe change the brake, the brake fluid. Then I can take it for a test run. But that's it.